it's Jazz, and today I want to show you this digital measuring cup and scale. Yes, it is 2-in-1. You can put your ingredients directly into the cup, and the LCD display tells you exactly how much it weighs in both dry and liquid measure. And this is super easy to use. There are literally just 2 buttons. You have the on button that helps you to turn the unit on and off, but it also helps you to reset the scale by holding it down. Then you have the unit button, which cycles through all the different forms of measurement and weight. If you're a baker like me, you know that measuring by weight is super important. And with this, you can swap from cups to grams to fluid ounces with just a push of a button. And you can use this for so many other things. Portion control, pet food, your supplements, or your protein shake powders. If you need to weigh it, you can do it right here, and it's just one small item. And when you need to wash it, all you have to do is lift this up and it separates, and you can wash the spoon and keep the digital side safe and dry. Once you own this, it's going to replace your scales, your measuring cups, your measuring spoons. You're going to find so many uses for it. So why don't you head down to PulseTV and grab some today.